A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human consciousness, power of the brain in action. Ladies and gentlemen, life exists within an immense cosmic order, vast, precise, and deeply intelligent. Among countless galaxies and unimaginable expanses, Earth stands as a rare cradle of life. Within this rare environment, the human being emerges not merely as a biological organism, but as a conscious participant in existence. At the center of this participation lies an extraordinary instrument, the human brain, an elegant microcosm of the universe itself, designed not only to survive but to understand, evolve, and contribute. The human brain is the most complex known structures in the observable universe. Within its delicate network of neurons, it continuously receives billions of bits of sensory information while simultaneously assessing a vast internal archive of memory that are experiences lived, emotions felt, patterns learned, and meanings formed. Consciousness arises when this immense flow of data is intelligently filtered and when the brain decides what deserves attention, reflection, imagination, or action. This process is not random. Conscious thought is an energy-intensive function. Though the brain forms only a small fraction of body mass, it consumes a significant share of total energy. This demand is fulfilled through a finely balanced human energy grid, 5 independent dynamos: physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional stability, spiritual grounding, and aspirational purpose. When these 5 operate in harmony, the brain functions at its most coherent and creative state. In such alignment, the brain becomes more than a processor. It acts as a receiver, transformer, and transmitter of energy, interfacing with the larger intelligence of the cosmos that brought it into being. Modern science recognizes this through neural coherence, neuroplasticity, and signal integration. Ancient wisdom recognized it as communion with the universal consciousness. Embedded within every cell, DNA carries the program of unfolding not only biological growth but adaptive intelligence. Yet, DNA does not dictate destiny alone. Human purpose emerges through a conscious journey. Intention becomes thought, thought becomes action, and action becomes influence. This is the movement of the inner sun, steady, luminous, and directional. Thought itself is energy. Conscious thought is refined energy produced when a charged, balanced brain aligns with its inner compass. The prefrontal cortex, the seat of discernment, allows responses rather than reactions, clarity rather than confusion. Through regular inner alignment, whether called reflection, meditation, or awareness, the brain learns to distinguish what is true from what is distracting, what is constructive from what is destructive. What's the way forward? Empowering human consciousness begins with empowering the brain through balance, alignment, and purpose. When the five energy dynamos work in synchrony, consciousness naturally elevates. Decisions gain depth, actions gain meaning. Life becomes a contribution rather than a struggle. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, human progress does not lie in external conquest alone, but in the mastery of inner energy. When the brain is aligned with the source that created it, consciousness becomes light, guiding action, responsibility, and righteous living. As Lord Krishna affirms in the revered Bhagavad Gita, yoga is excellence in action. When consciousness guides action with clarity and balance, human potential unfolds not by force but by harmony with the cosmic truth. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.